Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change now playing on Discord. In order to change now playing on Discord, you simply have to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what here you need to do is you simply want to open up your Discord application. Then you want to click on the user settings from the bottom right and left hand side corner of your screen. Right on this section, you simply want to scroll down, and what you need to do is go to activity settings, and here you want to go to activity privacy. Now you want to go ahead and toggle the button for activity status, and you have to go ahead and click or toggle the button for this as well. Now then, what you need to do is next thing, you have to go ahead and select the status. Now then, as per whatever game you're going to play, it's going to be displayed automatically on the status bar. Likewise, there will be a option to customize it as well or manually enter it. So in my case, I do not seem to have this option, but right under activity privacy, you'll be able to find that option, and you just have to go ahead and click on it, and you could go ahead and manually enter in any sort of game that you're playing on Discord. So that's how you could go ahead and change your activity status. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.